Welcome to this interactive lab simulation for the lab Connect to Azure Virtual Networks using Global Virtual Network Peering. To navigate this interactive lab simulation, follow the prompts on the screen. In this lab, you'll complete the tasks listed on your screen. In this first task, you will use an Azure Resource Manager or ARM template to create a test VM on the manufacturing VNet. Follow the prompts to complete this task. In the Azure portal, open a PowerShell session within the Cloud Shell pane. Upload the template and parameters files into the Cloud Shell home directory. To view and specify your Azure subscription, run the commands as shown. Next, deploy the ARM template to create the virtual machines. Now return to the Azure portal and verify that the VM has been created. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you will connect to the test manufacturing VM using RDP. Select Test VM1. Note the private IP address and then close the virtual machine page. Next, follow the prompts to connect to manufacturing VM. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you will test the connection between the VMs. On the manufacturing VM, open Windows PowerShell. To verify that there is no connection to test VM1 on the Core Services VNet virtual network, run the command as shown. The connection failed. This task is now complete. Minimize the RDP connection window to continue. In this next task, you'll create virtual network peerings between Core Services VNet and Manufacturing VNet. In the Azure portal, search for and select Virtual Networks. Select Core Services VNet. In the left pane, under Settings, select Peerings. Next, select Add. Create the peering with the settings as shown. Select Add. Click Refresh. The new peering now has a status of Connected. Close the Virtual Network page. On the Virtual Networks page, select Menu. Under Settings, select The new peering is now listed. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you will retest the connection between the. In the Azure portal, navigate to the Manufacturing VM resource. To return to PowerShell on the Manufacturing VM, select Connect. To verify that there is now a connection to test VM1 on Core Services VNet, run the command as shown. The test connection succeeded. This task is now complete. Close the connection window to continue. This interactive lab simulation is now complete.